Today we're going to show you how to swap out a steering wheel for a G37 Coupe. You need a couple tools. You need a T30 safety Torx bit. You need a pick. You need a 19 and a flathead. Very, very simple. First things first, make sure that you have your battery unplugged when you're doing this. Don't mess with no airbag stuff with the battery plugged in. There's these little circles that we're going to pop off that are hiding the T30 safety Torx. That's what that looks like. So Nissan Infiniti, that's what you need to get the airbag out. So we'll go right here and you'll see a little opening. Just kind of slide that in like that. So cars that have the paddle shifter kit on it, it's a little harder to get to, but so you'll see it. I'm kind of lighting it up with my gun right there. Go like that, and I like to turn the wheel so that when it comes out, it doesn't fall in the plastic part. So that's what that looks like. Safety Torx means it has that post in the center. It's not just a normal Torx. So you can see right there. And this is a T30. So we'll go ahead and do the other side. So those two are out. Get the steering wheel straight again. And then pull the airbag out. Just put a little flathead under there. Twist it. And it'll walk out. Don't pull too hard right now, because you are going to have two airbag clips on here. Alright, so once you have the airbag out like this, get your pick. And you're going to see a little opening right here. Just get under there and kind of walk it forward. There's going to be two clips, or two clicks, sorry. The first click is the black one releasing from the plug. And the second one is the plug actually coming out of the airbag. So get under there. There's one click, and there's the second click. And just like that, your airbag is out. Alright, so in order to get the steering wheel off, there's a ground right here, like that. You're going to pull the ground off, and then you're going to get your flathead. They don't really give you much room to work on these things, so that's why I use like picks and flatheads and all that. So go in here, press your plug, that slides out nicely. And the center nut for the steering wheel is a 19. You're going to want to use an impact for this, because if you use like a ratchet or whatever, you're just going to fight the steering wheel going like this. So go in here, hold the steering wheel steady with your one hand, and then with your impact, loosen it up. And I've seen a lot of people get destroyed by taking their steering wheel off. They'll be sitting in here and they'll hold it super tight and they're pushing against the ground, and then it finally comes off. Don't do that. The way that you do it is you grab it with your left hand right here, give it a little tap on the right side, and then that'll free it up, and it'll walk right off, just like that. Steering wheel's off.